Hello guys, and we have no time for explanation. We are fighting. Let's go. How do I run? Okay, that's how I run. Okay. We are in World War II right now. I don't know why. Got him. Hey, hey. Headshot. Oh, no, 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 no. Go, go, go. Where is he? Where is he? Let's go, let's go. I just joined this game. I don't know what's happening. Okay, this is a very good game actually. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Battle, battle. Okay, come on. Die! Die! Come on, die! Can respawn, respawn. How do I respawn? Okay. Oh, yes. Alrighty, I don't know why I'm so good. I just joined this game, okay? How much money do I have? Oh, yes. Oh, that's not good. Looks like that one is the best one. That's why that. Alrighty, let's take that. Alrighty. So let's. How do I play? Wait, what? I'm ready. I'm ready. Secondary. I don't need a secondary. No, thank you. Okay. Alright, I'm ready. Let's go. The only thing is, when I'm running, I can't really jump, so I gotta twist my fingers, bro. Oh, wait, no, I found out a way. Oh, yes. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. I'm gonna camp right here. Come on. Come on, let's go, go, go. Come on, go, go, go. Bruh. Whatever, whatever, come on. Aw, man, I wanted that. Oh, yes, I got so many things to buy. Bro, primary. How much is that? Guys, try to get it. I just started playing this game. I'm probably never gonna play this game again. Come on, let's get it. Whatever. Yes. Okay, deploy. Let's go, let's go. We're gonna do. Our team, Team Blue is gonna win. Let's go. Oh yes, Team Blue. Oh, that's... Whatever, at least it was cool. What's secondary? 4,000... Sure, let's get that. Lock. Sure, thank you, let's go. Oh yes. We can keep doing this forever, bro. Let's go. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, respawn, let's go. This is a pretty cool game, actually. Let's go, guys. Go, 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 team. I got the high ground. Let's go. I didn't speak a lot, but that's fine. Nobody wants to hear me speaking anyways, bro. Yes, I'm level 4. Let's go, 3 in a row. Stay right here. Ah, oh, come on, whatever, it's fine. It's fine, let's go. Run, run, run. Okay, let's go. This is a pretty cool game. I'm here for revenge. Give me that guy. Oh, that guy just flew. Whatever, whatever. Okay, wait a second. Isn't Rivals the same thing as this? Nah, bro, I just wasted so much money. Or like, not money, but Robux.